Hello, everyone! If you're watching this video, you probably want to record your screen on the Samsung M47 but can't find the screen recorder feature or you're not sure how to use it. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you everything step by step. Screen recording is one of the most useful features on any smartphone. Whether you want to create a tutorial, record gameplay, save a video call, capture an app demonstration, or show someone how to fix a problem, the built-in screen recorder makes the job quick and easy. I'll also show you how to record with or without sound, how to capture your microphone audio, how to enable touch indicators so viewers can see every tap on the screen, and where your recordings are saved after you finish. These are features that many Samsung users overlook, but they can make your screen recordings much more useful and professional.